sleeping time of the 7 puppies. Okay, this is letter C, and this one is letter D, and then that's letter C at the back. No, this is C, D, this is E, D is here, and B, and the small one is this one. Oh, natanggal na. I cannot see. Sleeping time. Oh, si letter A pala yun. Over there, far. Letter A. The big one that is being gitabunan, gidaganan nila ay si letter H. Gidaganan ni letter B. Okay. Okay. The boy is stretching. Kabayuan ni letter A. Now Amos is feeding her puppies. Okay, now they are all awake. Today is June 26, Wednesday today. Okay, they are about 9 years old, 8 and 9 years, 8 and 9 days old puppies now. Oh, lumalaki na sila. The cute puppies. Okay, 7 puppies. Nakakatuwa ang mga puppies. It's growing. They are growing. Okay, ang identity nila, I have A, D, C, B, and some ni G, E, ano na wala? A, B, C, D, E, or this is F. So the order from left to right is F, A, G, B, C, D, A. Okay. Itong si A, known to be the smallest, the firstborn. According to the letter alphabetically, A means the first puppy who came out, and the last one is G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, 7 puppies of Amos. Amos, good girl, good job. Okay, very funny position, sleeping position of puppy C, and they have just finished feeding, drinking milk, and now they are sleeping again. Sleeping position of C, and then the others are in prone and sleeping by the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at ang dalawa ito nagkatabi. What happened to B? He always shouting, crying. B, huh? B. Na rin si B after a little sound of crying. Letter E also is crying and crawling over there. E is crawling and was crying a while ago. and trying to position herself there in the corner. So, tutulog sila at 2 by 2 and with letter C over there alone with her acrobatic sleeping position of letter C. Change into this position, and then on the left corner you have E with the front sleeping, that is E, and then this is D with the side, and then another front is letter F. So this is letter D by the side, E by the front position, letter E, and then F, another front position facing the corner, and letter A sleeping by the side, and over there is letter C. So what we have here by this corner is, this is B, the brownie, and letter G, the heaviest of them all is letter G. There are the two on the corner. Okay. On the other corner, C. Here, with 4 others on the other corner. So, in viewing them all, this is the position. Okay, this is a good view for the 7 puppies sleeping by the side position. All of them sleeping by their side. Okay, talagang it's a nice position na ginawa nila. Okay, same time sleeping by the side. Letter G, crawl from this corner with the brown, C brown. She crawl over the other corner there, and then with the front position starting to sleep again in that corner. So 5 puppies in that corner, and then on the right corner 1, and then down here in this corner D, and then G and F. F is in the very corner, and then D is the one here, change position, and G is the one on the right side. On the left side is F, and this is letter, this boy is letter, let's see, A, and then this is B, the brown one, and then this one is letter C, the white, and this one is letter E. This is a point in time where all of them, where all of the 7 puppies are sleeping in the same side position. Look here, letter B is here, and then letter the letter C is there in the side position, and this girl also letter E, and then G over there, F and D, G, F and D, and then letter A, the smallest. So 4 on the side, and then 2 here, 6, and then the 7th is letter B here in this corner. Okay, sound sleep by their side. Okay, stretching Letter C is stretching.